Hello ก่อนนี้ Hello ก่อนเดตมูก่อนเนาะน้องมูตนี้ไปกันให้มาตุโลอาทอลีกันย้อนเนาะปลาพอดีพุตาเลยอามาลูวันยอกลอติดผ้าไม่ปล่อยเลยเอามาลูกลอวันติดผ้าเนี่ยก็ตุโลคือแพ้วิดีโอใครแต่บล็อกคอมเนาะนั่นคือเอามาลูกลอว่าเท่านี้คือมาลูแพ้วิดีโอใครสกอตติลเนาะตนี้เขาดิเนี่ยปกมาลูบ้าขาเลย emotions love feelings เนาะบ้าขาเลยบัตตาจูบ้าติดผ่านเนาะภาษาที่ถ้าภาษาคือภาษาอื่นมองแล้วก็ว่านักกีฬาสีระหว่างนักกีฬาสีเอาคุณสาวเขาหน้าติดแล้วก็เนาะแต่เราก็ดีน่าเด subscribe for more videos Test for today is I am happy in Korean yesaku in English I am happy switching to Korean yesaku The next one is I am smiling je n'y que I am smiling je n'y que I am smiling. The next one is I am sad. Je I am sad. Je I am sad. I am crying. Je I am crying. Je I love you. Je enna. I miss you. You can say in two different ways. Je sais not na. I hate you. You can also say two different ways in Korean. The first one is je sahina. The second version is yethasana. I am crazy. Ye blue. I am childish. Yesaloposa. I am childish. Yesaloposa. I am jealous of you. I am jealous of you. Yesakana. I am lovely, or you can say I am cute. I am lovely. In Korean, you can say je lo e. je, lo, 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 e. The next one is I am stupid. I am stupid. I am stupid. You can say either je ngo ngạ, je ngo ngạ, je ngo ngạ. The other version you can use in Korean is je opo, je opo, opo, je ngo ngạ, je ngo ngạ, je opo. The next one is I am full, I am full. In Korean, you can also say two versions for the full. Yehpka, yehpka, yehpka. Or you can also use yehpke, yehpke, yehpke. I am full. Yehpka, yehpke. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. Je dois rire. Je dois rire. Je dois rire. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. Je dois rire. Je dois rire. I am beautiful. Je dois rire. Je dois rire. I am nervous. I am nervous. I am nervous. I am nervous. Yethadido. Yethadido. Yethakano. 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 I am nervous. I am nervous. I am nervous. I am nervous. Yethakano. Yethadido. Yethadido. Yethakano. I feel nausea. I feel nausea. Yethakale. Yethakale. Je tha que le. Je tha que le. I feel nausea. I feel nausea. I am heartbroken. I am heartbroken. You can also say two different ways in Korean. Je tha ba do. Je tha ba do. Je tha ba do. Je tha fit pa. Je tha fit pa. Je tha fit pa. I am heartbroken. I am heartbroken. I am heartbroken. I am frustrated. I am frustrated. Yethabatita. 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 I am frustrated. I am frustrated. I am frustrated. I am frustrated. Yethabatita. Yethabatita. I loathe you. I loathe you. Or you can also say I disgust you. I disgust you. In Korean, yethabaena. 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 I loathe you. I disgust you. I disgust you. I am bad. I am bad. I am naughty. I am naughty. Yenaki. 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 I am bad. I am naughty. I am bad. I am naughty. I pity you. I pity you. Yethakanyona. 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 I
IPTU. IPTU. Yitha knyona. Yitha knyona.
The next one is I am angry or I am mad. Yitha buitota. Yitha buitota. Yitha buitota. I am angry. I am mad. I am angry. I am mad. I am angry. Yitha buitota. Yitha buitota. The next one is I am exciting. I am exciting. I am exciting. Yetupo thawa. Yetupo thawa. Yetupo thawa. Yetupo thawa. Yetupo thawa. I am exciting. I am exciting. I am sleepy. I am sleepy. I am sleepy. Yamike. 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 I am sleepy. I am sleepy. I am sleepy. I am scared. I am scared. Or I am afraid. I am afraid. I am scared. I am scared. I am afraid. Yeplita. 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 That's all for today. Please subscribe for more videos. See you at the next lesson. W.